Hello, everyone. Welcome back to StoryStep English.
Hi guys, I am Jenny. Today is a special day.
Yes. Wait, Jenny, my phone is ringing. It is my friend Raul from India.
Okay, answer it.
Hello, Raul, how are you? Wait, what? Do the needful? What is needful? Is it a dance? You want to prepone the meeting? Raul, is prepone a real word? Is it a type of food? Jenny, help. He says he has a doubt. A doubt? Why? I'm a good friend. I don't lie. Okay, you will revert back. Revert? Like turn into a zombie? Oh no, he stopped the call. He is angry.
Oh, Blaze, you are funny.
It is not funny, Jenny. I think Raul forgot English. He used strange words. And he said he passed out of college last year. I asked, "Are you okay? Did you fall down?"
No, Blaze. Raul speaks good English, but he speaks Indian English.
Indian English? Is it different?
Yes, people in India have their own style. They use special words. It is very interesting and fast.
Fast. It is confusing. Passed out means finished school?
Yes, and doubt just means question. He just had a question.
Oh, oops. I must say sorry to Raul. To all our friends from India, Namaste.
Today, we will help Blaze understand these words. We will play a game, Indian English versus American English.
A game? I love games. Is it football?
No, it is a word game. I say an Indian word, you guess the meaning.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's play.
Okay, let's play. I say an Indian English word, you guess the meaning.
Okay, I am ready. I am smart. Bring it on.
Question 1. What is prepone?
Prepone? Is it like prepare or maybe pretend?
No, think about postpone.
Postpone means do it later.
Yes, so prepone is the opposite.
Do it earlier?
Correct. Americans say, move the meeting to an earlier time. Indians say, prepone the meeting.
Wow, prepone is faster. I like it. Only one word.
Question 2. What is a cousin brother?
A cousin who is a brother? Wait, that is impossible. Is he my brother or my cousin? Make up your mind.
In India, family is very big and important. They want to know if the cousin is a boy or a girl.
Oh, so cousin brother is a boy cousin.
Yes, and cousin sister is a...
A girl cousin.
Correct. In America, we just say cousin. It is not clear.
Indian English is very clear. I have many cousin brothers. They are noisy.
Last question. What does do the needful mean?
Do the needful. It sounds like a secret mission. Does it mean do the laundry or do yoga?
No, it is formal work language. It means please fix the problem or do what is necessary.
Oh, so when my car is broken, I tell the mechanic, do the needful.
Yes, you can say that.
Nice. It sounds very polite. Sir, please do the needful.
Good job, Blaze. You got 3 points.
Yes, I am the king of Indian English.
Not yet, Blaze. One more part to go.
Wow, I learned so much today. Revert, prepone, cousin brother. Indian English is actually very smart. It is fast.
Yes, it is unique.
But Jenny, Rahul did one more thing on the video call.
What did he do?
He moved his head like this. Is he saying no, or is his neck hurting? I was worried.
No, Blaze, that is the famous Indian head wobble.
Head wobble? What does it mean?
It can mean yes, okay, I understand, or good.
So it doesn't mean no?
Usually no. It is a sign of respect and listening. It means, I hear you, my friend.
Oh, I thought he was dizzy. Like this? Okay, Rahul, I understand.
Perfect. You look like a local now.
And one last question. He asked for a rubber. I was scared. Rubber? In America, that is,
Stop. In America, we say eraser, but in India and the UK, they say rubber. It is just a tool to fix writing.
Phew, good. I will give him an eraser next time. So, Jenny, is Rahul wrong? Is his English strange?
No, Blaze, there is no wrong English. Think about pizza.
Pizza? I love pizza.
Italian pizza is thin, American pizza is thick.
And Hawaiian pizza has pineapple.
Exactly, but they are all pizza. English is the same. There is American English, British English, and Indian English. They are just different flavors.
I see. I like all flavors, especially if they're friendly.
Correct. Communication is the goal.
So, to Rahul and all our friends from India, Namaste.
We love your style.
Please teach me more. What is your favorite Indian word?
Maybe time pass or cinema hall?
Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to do the needful.
Which means?
Like, subscribe, and share.
Good job, Jenny. See you next time. Bye-bye.